Shall we help Paget fill in the blanks now? The states of and are called the Seven Sisters. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram,
Nagaland, Tripura, Meghalaya,
the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura and Meghalaya are called the Seven Sisters. Is the capital of Mizoram? Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Is the only state that has 100% literacy. Kerala is the only state that has 100% literacy. Farming is done in Mizoram. Jhum farming is done in Mizoram. The people of Mizoram do a special dance called the Cherau dance. The people of Mizoram do a special dance called the Cherau dance. The main crop grown in Mizoram is rice. The main crop grown in Mizoram is rice. Land in Mizoram is measured by tins. Land in Mizoram is measured by tins. And are different methods of irrigation. Canals, tube wells, water wheel, canals, tube wells, and water wheel are different methods of irrigation. Will you help Rabbit to find out whether the following statements are true or false? Farmers in Mizoram get land to cultivate every year through a lottery. True. Wheat is the main crop grown in Mizoram. False. There is lots of bamboo in Mizoram. True. Mizoram is a state in South India. False. Sugarcane can be grown when there is no much rainfall. True. Jhum farming is done in Kerala. False. Now let us give very short answers to these questions. Friends, will you also answer with me? Where is the state of Mizoram? In the northeastern part of India. Capital of Mizoram? Aizawl. What are the 7 states in the northeastern part of India called? Seven Sisters. Dance of Mizoram. Cherau dance. Farming of Mizoram. Jhum farming. Main crop of Mizoram. Rice. Land measured in Mizoram by tins. To whom does farming land belong to in Mizoram? To the whole village and not separate people. In Mizoram, who will cultivate what land is decided by lottery. Different methods of irrigation. Canal, tube well, or water wheels. Friends, now you know how the bamboo sticks are kept for Cherau dance. I want to draw it now. Will you also draw it along with me? Friends, let us now answer these questions. You can write the answers in your notebook also. Can you name the 7 states that are called as 7 sisters? Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Do you know what Mizoram and Kerala have in common? Almost every child goes to school in both these states. How is jhum farming done? In jhum farming, the field is left empty after harvesting a crop. Bamboo or weeds that grow are not pulled out. They are cut and burnt. This ash makes the land fertile. When the field is ready for farming, it is lightly dug up and not ploughed. Seeds are then dropped in the field. What kind of crops can be grown in such a field? In one field, different types of crops like maize, rice, chilies, or vegetables can be grown. How do farmers in Mizoram celebrate after harvesting their crop? The whole village celebrates together. They cook, eat, sing, and dance together. They do a special dance called the Cherau dance. How is the Cherau dance performed? In this dance, the dancers sit in pairs in front of each other. They hold the two ends of the bamboo sticks on either side and keep it on the ground. The bamboo sticks are beaten on the ground to the beat of drums. The dancers step in and step out of the bamboo sticks as they dance to the beat of drums. How do farmers in Mizoram measure their land? Farmers in Mizoram measure their land in tins. For example, the land on which 1 tin of seed can be grown is called 1 tin of land. The land on which 2 tins of seeds can be grown is 2 tins of land, and so on. Is land measured in tins everywhere? No. Land is measured differently in different places. In some places, it is measured in bhigas. In other places, it is measured in ropani and katha. Do you know how land is measured in the place where you live? Find out, find out.
Bye, friends.
And do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.